Think your home is safe? You might want to think again. I've got security tips you didn't know you needed. Hi there, and welcome to Security Pro Insights. I'm Kathy, your security pro and go to guide for all things safety and security. With over 25 years in the security industry, I've got the inside scoop on how to keep you and your loved ones safe. No technical jargon, just actionable advice you can use right now. So, what's in store for you here? Let's go ahead and break it down. First, security technology. I'll demystify the gadgets and systems designed to protect you. Next, we'll talk about life safety. We're talking fire safety, medical alerts, and more. Because security is so much more than just avoiding break ins, it's about creating a safe haven for you and your family. Security and safety tips. I'll share with you quick, easy to follow advice for everyday situations. From package theft to vehicle safety, I've got you covered. And finally, smart home automation. Learn how to make your home smarter and safer. While I'm based in Temecula Valley, the tips and advice you'll find here are universally empowering. So, no matter where you're tuning in from, you'll find something valuable here. Are you ready to level up your safety game with security tips you didn't know you needed? Hit that subscribe button and let's get started on our journey to a safer, more empowered life. But before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What are your biggest safety concerns? Go ahead and drop a comment below and let's make this a community where we all learn and grow together. And always remember, stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't let yourself be a victim of crime. See you in the next video.